بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
ألف لام را، تلك آيات الكتاب الحكيم. أكان للناس عجبا أن أوحينا إلى رجل منهم أن أنذر الناس وبشر الذين آمنوا أن لهم قدم صدق عند ربهم. قال الكافرون إن هذا لساحر مبين. إن ربكم الله الذي خلق السماوات والأرض في 6 أيام ثم استوى على العرش يدبر الأمر ما من شفيع إلا من بعد إذنه. ذلكم الله ربكم فاعبدوه أفلا تذكرون. إليه مرجعكم جميعا وعد الله حقا إنه يبدأ الخلق ثم يعيده ليجزي الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات بالقسط والذين كفروا لهم شراب من حميم وعذاب أليم بما كانوا يكفرون. هو الذي جعل الشمس ضياء والقمر نورا وقدره منازل لتعلموا عدد السنين والحساب. ما خلق الله ذلك إلا بالحق يفصل الآيات لقوم يعلمون. إن في اختلاف الليل والنهار وما خلق الله في السماوات والأرض لآيات لقوم يتقون. إن الذين لا يرجون لقاءنا ورضوا بالحياة الدنيا واطمأنوا بها والذين هم عن آياتنا غافلون أولئك مأواهم النار بما كانوا يكسبون. إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات يهديهم ربهم بإيمانهم تجري من تحتهم الأنهار في جنات النعيم. دعواهم فيها سبحانك اللهم وتحيتهم فيها سلام وآخر دعواهم أن الحمد لله رب العالمين.
Aleph, Lam, Ra. These are the verses of the wise book. Have the people been amazed that we revealed revelation to a man from among them, saying, warn mankind and give good tidings to those who believe that they will have a firm precedence of honor with their Lord? But the disbelievers say, indeed, this is an obvious magician. Indeed, your Lord is Allah, who created the heavens and the earth in 6 days and then established himself above the throne, arranging the matter of his creation. There is no intercessor except after his permission. That is Allah, your Lord, so worship him. Then will you not remember? To him is your return altogether. It is the promise of Allah which is truth. Indeed, he begins the process of creation and then repeats it that he may reward those who have believed and done righteous deeds in justice. But those who disbelieved will have a drink of scalding water and a painful punishment for what they used to deny. It is he who made the sun a shining light and the moon a derived light and determined for it phases, that you may know the number of years and account of time. Allah has not created this except in truth. He details the signs for a people who know. Indeed, in the alternation of the night and the day and in what Allah has created in the heavens and the earth are signs for a people who fear Allah. Those who rest not their hope on their meeting with us, but are pleased and satisfied with the life of the present, and those who heed not our signs. Their abode is the fire, because of the evil they earned. Those who believe and work righteousness, their Lord will guide them because of their faith. Beneath them will flow rivers in gardens of bliss. Their call therein will be, exalted are you, O Allah, and their greeting therein will be, peace. And the last of their call will be, Praise to Allah, Lord of the worlds.
الذين جعلوا القرآن عضين.
Who have made the Quran into portions.